Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We thought today and that already an announcement to replace him fully with substantive Kashim Shetima. I have not discussed with him. I have disclosed it to you. Since I have disclosed it.
Hey guys, yes, I go by the name Lollipop, and I've got an update for you. The APC presidential candidate, that is in person of Bola Tinubu, yes, he has come out to make a confirmation about his running mate, who is Alhaji Masari, that he has withdrawn. Yes, so and now he has confirmed that Senator Kashim Shetima is now his running mate. Yes, so he has replaced him fully as a substantive running mate. So for doubting Thomas among you, so it's just for you to know that yes, Senator Kashim Shetima is now the running mate of Bola Tinubu.